Apart from the physical and emotional trauma of the last few months, there's now the financial stress of large hospital bills that are not being settled by the insurance policies to deal with. There has been a sharp increase in COVID-specific insurance claims over the past year, but a bulk of such requests are not being honoured by insurance companies. Ironically, the pandemic, it seems, has not just taken away precious lives, it's also destroyed hard-earned savings of the average middle-class Indian family, despite having taken out an insurance policy. So how did we get here? Joining us on the show, Shailesh Kumar. He's the co-founder and insurance head of Insurance Samadhan. We have Pankaj Gupta, chairman and founder of Oxy Healthcare; Sanjeev Bajaj, joint chairman and MD of Bajaj Capital; Professor Apurva Javdekar, he's the assistant professor of finance at the Indian School of Business, or ISB, in Hyderabad; and Dr. Shailesh Jain, chairman and managing director of the Universal Hospital in Delhi. Shailesh Kumar, I want to start with you because you run a grievance redressal platform. The second wave has triggered off a huge surge in claims and rejections, are no less, especially of COVID-specific policies. Is that what you found?
Yeah, that's right. And mainly the grievances are related to that hospitalization are not required. See, in such panic situation, everybody is visiting hospital, and the claims are getting rejected or the cashless is not getting approved because insurance company says that hospitalization was not required for that. You could have been treated only through quarantine. Second thing is which active line of treatment. The active line of treatment which is provided by the hospital and the doctors, people are following that. However, insurance companies are rejecting these cases on the basis that there has not been a standard procedures has not been followed, and that's why the claim will not be paid. Thirdly, there are many complaints which is getting rejected because people in this type of scenario where the beds were not available, people have gone to the makeshift arrangements which were under supervision of some hospitals only. But the insurance companies are rejecting these cases that these places are not authorized and we will not be paying the claims because we have gone to these type of the makeshift arrangement the government has provided. The fourth reason which has come up is especially in terms of the claim which is coming because of the room rents. People are staying in the wards, so the room rent cannot be a criteria to fix it up that the claims will not be paid. Fifth reason which is coming to us is mainly because of the package, because each municipal corporation or the state has fixed up a package rate for the treatment. So although the charges would have been the more, but the insurance companies are denying it and they are paying only on the basis of the package rate, and that's why.
But Shailesh Kumar, is this above board? Is this even legal? Because, for example, I mean, it sounds absurd to me that an insurance company will decide whether you should have been admitted or not. The first reason you gave.
That's right. So, how do you prove it that yes, it is justified or not? The customer suffers because they are not very sure that although the regulator has come out very good guidelines, they have made it very, very clear that how the claim should be paid. They have made 50 minutes given approval for that it has to be done. This type of approval has to be done. Even then, the basic reason that whether the justification is there or not, that has to be proved. And the customer doesn't know how to prove it, whether the hospitalization is required or not. The customer was so scared that they have gone on the basis of doctor advice.